In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add greedy strategy in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have your chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like, because we're just focusing on how to apply the strategy, not on a specific setup. Give the chart a moment to load fully so all the menu options are visible. Now, look toward the top of the screen where your main toolbar is. You'll see options like indicators, strategies, and possibly other tools depending on your layout. What we want is the strategies section. Go ahead and click on strategies. This is where TradingView keeps its built-in strategies along with any custom ones you've added. Opening this panel lets you quickly test and apply different approaches to the market without writing code yourself. Once the strategies list is open, scroll through the available options until you find the one called Greedy Strategy. The names might be in alphabetical order or grouped by category, so take a second to look carefully. When you see Greedy Strategy, click on it once. TradingView will immediately apply it to your current chart. After you click, you should notice a few changes. New entries and exits may appear directly on your chart as arrows or markers, and a strategy tester panel might show up at the bottom of the screen. This panel usually displays performance metrics such as profit and loss, drawdown, and the number of trades. These details help you understand how the greedy strategy would have performed historically on the asset and time frame you're viewing. At this point, you can explore the settings for greedy strategy by opening its inputs or properties. While we're not changing those settings in this walkthrough, it's useful to know that you can later tweak parameters like risk, take profit levels, or other conditions to better match your personal trading style. Just remember that any strategy, including this one, should be back-tested and treated as a tool, not a guarantee of future results. Finally, if you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet, use the link in my video description to create your account. Pro gives you more chart layouts, additional indicators, and better access to tools like strategies, which can make testing something like greedy strategy much smoother and more reliable. That's all you need to add the greedy strategy in TradingView Pro. Open your chart, click on strategies, select greedy strategy, and then use the link in the description if you still need to sign up for Pro.